practice your English. I read white. You read yellow. The case of the missing keys. Conversation between two friends, Rachel and Jake. We'll start by listening to the entire dialogue and then we'll move on to practicing it. I'll play the role of Rachel and you'll play the role of Jake. Let's start. Hey, Jake, you won't believe what just happened.
Oh no, what now?
I lost my keys. Again.
Seriously, Rachel, that's like the third time this month.
I know, it's a talent, really.
Where did you last see them?
If I knew that, I wouldn't be searching for them now, would I?
Fair point. Did you check the usual places? Purse, jacket pocket, fridge?
Fridge? Why would my keys be in the fridge?
You'd be surprised. Remember last time when you found them in the freezer next to the ice cream?
Oh yeah, good times, but I checked the fridge. No luck.
What about your car?
Already looked. Nothing.
Couch cushions.
Checked there too. It's like they just vanished into thin air.
You didn't throw them out with the trash again, did you?
Don't remind me. No, I didn't. I'm not that scatterbrained.
Debatable. So, what's the plan now?
Panic and then retrace my steps.
Let's start with retracing. Where were you before you noticed they were gone?
I was at the grocery store. Maybe I left them at the checkout.
Could be, but knowing you, they could also be in your shoe or something.
Hey, that was one time.
One time too many. All right, let's head to the store and see if they've been turned in.
Thanks, Jake. You're a lifesaver. Let's practice your English. Now. Hey, Jake, you won't believe what just happened. I lost my keys. Again. I know, it's a talent, really. If I knew that, I wouldn't be searching for them now, would I? Fridge. Why would my keys be in the fridge? Oh yeah, good times, but I checked the fridge. No luck.
Already looked. Nothing.
Checked there too. It's like they just vanished into thin air.
Don't remind me. No, I didn't. I'm not that scatterbrained. Panic and then retrace my steps. I was at the grocery store. Maybe I left them at the checkout. Hey, that was one time. Thanks, Jake. You're a lifesaver. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.